Hey naturals, welcome to the channel. Dima is my name, and on this channel I share lots of natural hair growth DIY contents to improve your hair growth, thickness and health. On this channel we explore lots of natural Ayurveda, potent Ayurveda that works amazingly well to improve hair growth. On this channel, we believe that everything that grows out from the soil is a potential hair growth product, and they are 100% natural, so it's a win-win. Please, before you continue watching, kindly subscribe by tapping on the red button on your interface. Also tap on the bell icon to always notify you on our future uploads. Please share this video with your family and friends if you enjoyed watching it. Lastly, please ensure you watch this video to the end, as all instructions will be stated towards the end of the video. So in today's video, I'll be sharing a super potent herbal hair oil that can grow your hair thick, long, stop shedding, grow hair on bald spots, thinning area. This oil will basically grow lustrous, shiny and envious hair. So to begin, grab a jar like so. Make sure your jar is well sterilized and free of moisture. So my first ingredient is olive oil. I chose olive oil because of its moisturizing properties, and secondly, it's readily available. For the proportion, I made use of 1/4 cup of olive oil. Moving on to my next ingredient, which is fenugreek. For this recipe, we are going to be making use of fenugreek leaves. You can actually substitute fenugreek leaves with fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek leaves are enriched with vitamin C, vitamin A, and beta-carotene. These leaves are packed with Ayurvedic recipes for long, lustrous hair. Fenugreek leaves are excellent for the health of your scalp and your hair. Fenugreek leaves or methi leaves are frequently used as a natural home remedy for thinning hair and other related conditions such as dandruff or a dry, itchy scalp. Fenugreek leaves are a rich source of iron and protein, two essential nutrients for hair growth. For the proportion, I'm going to be making use of 2 tablespoons of the fenugreek leaves. And if you're to use the fenugreek seeds, please go ahead and use 1 tablespoon of the fenugreek seeds. Now for my next ingredient, which is aloe vera powder. Aloe vera strengthens hair. Aloe vera has many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. They control greasy hair. Aloe vera has enzymes that break down fats and so strips your hair of any extra oil. For the proportion, I made use of 1 teaspoon of the aloe vera powder. Moving on to my next ingredient, which is of course hibiscus. Hibiscus flowers are rich in invigorating ingredients, flavonoids and amino acids. Flavonoids enhance blood circulation to your hair follicles, transforms dormant follicles into hair follicles, stimulating new hair growth. For the proportion, I made use of 1 teaspoon of the hibiscus powder. I poured that into the jar. After transferring all the ingredients, grab your spatula or stirring rod, stir to combine all the ingredients. Stir continuously for about 30 seconds to make sure that all the ingredients in the oil are evenly combined. Next, using a DIY double boiler method, pour about 500 ml worth of water into a pot, bring to a boil, then place the jar in it and continue stirring. Stir for 15 minutes, mark. Once it's 15 minutes mark, bring down this jar and allow to cool down completely before you sieve your oil. So once it's 15 minutes mark, bring down the jar and turn off the heat. Allow to cool down completely before sieving. I lost some clips while sieving, hence the reason why you already see me sieving. For the sieving process, I used a strainer and a bowl to collect my hair oil. You can use cheesecloth if you don't want any particle in your oil. But the more the particle stays in the oil, the more potent this oil becomes. Hence the reason why you could see some particles still in my oil. Now I transfer that into my applicator bottle using my funnel. For the storage, please store this oil in a cool, dry place. If you're not using preservatives, this oil can last for 6 months. But if you're using preservatives, this oil can last up to 2 years. Please get me right. This oil can last up to 6 months without preservatives. That is, if it doesn't come in contact with moisture. That is, all the apparatus used are free of moisture. I mean water. So I'm going to be demonstrating the application process, how this oil should be applied. I love to apply most of my oils on my scalp while I give myself a gentle massage using either my massager or the pop of my fingers. Please keep watching so you can see the massager that I use for my massages. I recently got this massager and it's a bomb. Every natural should have this massager for their scalp massages. This video is not sponsored. I got this massager with my money. This oil can also be used for pre-pools. You can use this oil to pre-poo your hair. You can also add this oil to your deep conditioners to make it even more potent. You can also use this oil to seal in moisture after your moisture routine. Lastly, you can also use this oil to make your hair buttercream. If your hair is bald, you've got any problem area on your scalp, use this oil daily to massage your scalp. I don't mean you should flood this oil on those areas. Just apply a little. A little goes a long way. Then use your massager or the pop of your fingers to massage that area gently. Make sure to do this daily and you will definitely see new growth growing out from those areas in a short while. That is from a month upwards. Please let me know what you think about this massager in the comment section below. You can also get this massager on Amazon. Hair oiling is the practice of applying oil onto your scalp and massaging it into the scalp to increase moisture, luster, and shine. Hair oiling may soften the hair and provide vitamins and minerals that get stripped from frequent washing your hair. That brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next upload shortly.